A search for test management tools can be difficult because you get a list of 40 different products and all of them apparently are the best. That list is useless because 40 products are really only 4 archetypes. Pick the right archetype and the short list inside is barely. If you pick the right archetype, you will get the best solution that fits for you. This video covers what the tool actually has to do, the 4 different archetypes, and the question that decides between them. There are 3 main jobs a test management tool has to accomplish. First, it holds your test cases as versioned and reusable specification. It records your runs, who run what, which build, and with what result. And it links both ends, requirements to test cases and test cases to defects. And that third job is very important and the reason why you should not use a spreadsheet. It answers which requirements are untested and which tests went stale when a requirement is changed, and whether you can prove this release was tested. So let's look at the 4 archetypes of test management tool. First are the Jira native ones like X-Ray and Sapphire Scale. Your test cases become Jira issues sitting next to the requirements and the defects. So no context switching and traceability comes by default. But you inherit Jira's data model and its limits, and the license stacks on top of your Jira licenses. Second, the standalone specialists like TestRail or Qtest, a dedicated application that integrates outward. The data model was designed for tests, so the reporting goes deeper and the audit trail is mature. The price is a second tool to license and administer, and an integration you have to maintain. Third, the stack native ones, like Azure DevOps test plans. Test management as a module besides repos, boards, and pipelines. Nothing to integrate, but there's one permission model. Fourth are the safety-critical application lifecycle management tools, like CodePima or Polarion. Here, test management is one discipline inside a full lifecycle platform. Requirements, architecture, and change requests in the same repository. They also fulfill ISO standards or automotive spice. You have baseline signatures and formal reviews. The traceability is the product. You pay for it in configuration effort and in rollout measured in months. So how to actually come to a decision? There are 5 questions you can answer for that. What does your compliance context require? That constrains the hardest, so answer it first. Then, where does the rest of your tool chain already live? How do automation results get in, like over API, CI plugin, or manual import? How many test cases and runs will exist in the next upcoming years? And who administers this? And is that person funded? None of those are feature requests. Every tool in your list ticks every box on a comparison table. The difference is only surface in scale, in migration, and reporting. So to summarize, there are 4 archetypes. The Jira native ones, standalone specialists, stack native ones, and safety-critical application lifecycle management tools. The tool must hold test cases, record runs, and carry traceability. The rest is differentiation. Your compliance context and your existing toolchain decide more than any feature comparison. Run a pilot with the real suite and a real report, because the execution history is what you cannot take with you.